There are two methods to convert the decimal to binary numbers. The first one is the division method, starting with 143 divided by 2 is equals to 71, times 2 is equals to 142, which is the remainder is 1. Next is 71 divided by 2 is equals to 35, times 2 is equals to 70, which is also the remainder is 1. Then 35 divided by 2 is equals to 17, times 2 is equals to 34, which is also the remainder is 1. 17 divided by 2 is equals to 8, times 2 is equals to 16, which is also the remainder is 1. 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. 4 times 2 is equals to 8, which has no remainder. 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4, which is also has no remainder. And last, 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. 1 times 2 is equals to 2, which is also has no remainder. Number 1 cannot be divided, so it considered as remainder. This is the binary code of 143. As for the second method, we have to use the geometric sequence of 2, which is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. We cannot go any further because the only given number is 143. Since 128 is the highest among the sequence, so the value is already 1. The sum of 128 and 64 is 192. Since it exceeded the given number, we have to cancel the 64 and change the value into 0. The sum of 128 and 32 is 160, and it also exceeded the given number. Cancel it and change into 0. The sum of 128 and 16 also exceeded the given number, and do the same thing. The sum of 128 and 8 is 136. Since it's not exceeded the given number, change the value into 1. The sum of 136 and 4 is equals to 140 and did not exceed, and change the value into 1. And the sum of the rest is now obviously the same as the given number. This is the binary number of 143.
How to convert binary to decimal? First, write down the geometric sequence of 2, which is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. It cannot go any farther because the given binary code is only 8 digits. Next, write the given binary code below the geometric sequence, which is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1. Finally, add all the values of 1. So, 128 plus 32 plus 1 is equals to 161. So, 161 is the decimal number of the given binary.
How to division in binary? You have to remember that any binary is divided to any binary is equal to 1. So 100 divided by 11 is 1. The product of 1 and 11 is 11. 0 minus 1 cannot be, so borrow the 1 and the first 0 change to 2, and borrow the 1 from 2 and change the second 0 into 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down 1. 11 divided by 11 is 1. The product of 1 and 11 is 11. 11 minus 11 is 0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 11 is 0. The product of 0 and 11 is 0. 0 minus is 0 is 0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 11 is 0. And this is the answer.
How to do addition in binary? First, you have to remember that 1 plus 1 in binary is 10. Starting, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 10, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 11, carry 1. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. So this is the answer in the given addition binary.
How to do subtraction in binary. Subtract the given numbers. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 cannot be. So borrow the number from 1 and the first 0 is changed to 2. Borrow the 1 from 2 and the second 0 is changed to 2. Borrow the 1 from 2 and the third 0 changed into 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the answer of the given subtraction of binary.
How to do multiplication in binary. Just simply multiply all the binary. The product of 100,001 times 1 is 101,001. Since there are two zeros, skip the 2 digits. The product of 101,001 times 1 is 101,001. Then add all the multiplied binary. Bring down 1, bring down 0, bring down 0. 1 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Bring down 1, 0, and 1. Then the answer will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And this is the answer.